Best foods for low blood sugar for patients with diabetes. Monitoring blood sugar levels is a part of daily life. Low blood sugar, or hypoglycemia, can occur for many people with diabetes who are on certain medications, including insulin and sulfonylureas. It can occur for a variety of reasons, including skipping a meal, exercising strenuously, taking too much insulin, or consuming alcohol. Especially on an empty stomach, low blood sugar can be as minor as a slight inconvenience or as serious as a life-threatening emergency. That's why it is important to boost blood sugar before it becomes problematic. Although blood glucose is considered normal if above 70 mg per deciliter, patients with diabetes should not wait until they reach below that threshold to take action. Treat when you feel the symptoms, even if your blood sugar is not below 70, because as long as it is less than 100, it may be dropping fast. These 5 foods to help boost low blood sugar. 1. Candy. When hypoglycemia occurs, patients should follow the 15-15 rule. Consume 15 grams of carbohydrates to raise blood glucose, and check your levels again after 15 minutes. When the numbers return to normal, eat a snack to stay on track. Simple sugar-based foods absorb rapidly into the bloodstream after you eat them and can raise your blood sugar within 5 to 15 minutes. 2. Fresh or dried fruits that provide the appropriate amount of carbohydrates include half a banana, 15 grapes, 2 tablespoons of raisins, or a small apple or orange. 3. Fruit juice can also boost blood sugar levels with half a cup, 4 ounces, of your favorite fruit juice, such as apple, orange, pineapple or cranberry juice. 4. Fat-free milk contains vitamin D and carbohydrates. Drink 1 cup of fat-free milk when your glucose levels start to drop. 5. Honey. Having 1 tablespoon of honey or jam as a snack after your blood sugar dips is a good way to balance out blood glucose levels.